Hi, it's Karina here, and I want to tell you about how we approach sustainability in the built environment at Rocky Mountain Soap Company. So similar to how we approach our product development process, we only focus on what we deem as truly natural, simple ingredients. So we have a red list of ingredients we would never use, as well as a green list of ingredients that are acceptable to our very high standard. So we've applied that process and that thinking to all of our built environments. So the workshop where everything's made, as well as the stores in which we sell the product. Looking for raw, natural materials that have either extremely low or zero toxicity. So for example, all of the stumps in the stores, most of them are actually fallen telephone poles that we've refurbished into these beautiful stools. All of the whitewashed wood in the stores is reclaimed pine and whitewashed with a zero VOC paint. We only use LED light bulbs. The clay in the stores is a natural finish that's uncoated, and the benefit of that is it actually purifies the air in the space that it's applied. We do all of this because we truly believe that our products are only natural if the environment in which they're made and sold is also natural. So I hope that catches you up to speed in terms of all the hard work that we put into the built environment. And yeah, we love sustainability, and this is what we do.